C question says the exchange rate for pounds into euros is 1 pound is equal to 1.44 euros. You can see the question in your screen. So the information we got from the question is, that's our solution now. So the first information is 1 pound is equal to 1.44 euros, and the remaining question says Richard goes on holiday, he changes 400 pound into euros. So according to the exchange rate, 1 pound is equal to 1.44. If Richards is exchanging 400 pounds, it means 400 pounds is equal to, you have to multiply with the 1.44. 400 into conversion factor, which is 1.44 in this case, is equal to 576 euros. You can do multiply without calculator, which is here 1.44 times 4, because two zeros can add up later on. 4 times 4 give you 16, 6 here, 1 on the top. 4 times 4 is 16 again, carry the 1, 17, so 7 here and 1 again carry. 4 times 1 is 4, carry 1, 5, and because here was 2 zeros, so you can add up 2 zeros, and decimal is there are 2 decimal points, so you have to put 2 decimal points here, exactly here. So 576 euros. The rest of the part of the question says, when on holiday he spends 180 euros. So therefore, after Richard's spendings, so total he got is 576 euros and he spent 180, so minus 180, so he left with 396 euros. You can see that how to subtract 576 minus 180. Always start with the right hand side, so 6 take away 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, 7 take away 8, not possible, so you make this 17, cross this, make this 4, so 17 minus 8, or 17 take away 8 will give you 9, and 4 take away 1 will give you 396. And the next part of the question says, on returning home he decides to keep the euros, which is 396 according to our calculation, he has left towards his next holiday. Using the same exchange rate, how much are these euros worth in pounds? So again, the exchange rate was 1.44 euros is equal to a pound, and this time we have 396 euros, and we need to find out the value of pounds for 396 euros. So in order to do that, this time we need to divide by 1.44, and after division we got the answer 275, which is your answer here. So the main question is, when we will know that we have to multiply or divide. So very important bit here is, in example of this question, 1 pound is equal to 1.44 euros. Therefore you can see this is a conversion factor given, so both times either we have to multiply or divide, we have to do with 1.44, because you can't multiply and divide 1, because whenever you do it will come out the same answer. So this is a conversion factor, you should already know in the question. And if they ask you about how much pounds, then you should know pound is less than euros. So here in this case you have to divide always 4 pounds, and if the question says how much euros, then you know euros are more than pound in conversion, so always multiply 4 euros as we did here. In case of pound, we have to divide the number of euros by the conversion factor, and in the first part of the question, when we need to calculate number of euros, then we multiply the conversion factor with the number of pounds. That's the important part here. That's the everybody should need to understand how to, which one to divide, which one to multiply. Yeah, you can see these problems are very much related to the real world, as you should know how much your car is giving in as in mileage, because you need to work out the distance you're traveling with the time as well to check out the mileage of a car, which is very useful for your saving monies as well in petrol or diesel. Same with the money exchange rates, you can easily work out how much you're going to spend on your holiday, you know, because you need to work out how much money you should need to take in with you and how much money you are allowed to spend every day if you are abroad celebrating your holidays. So yeah, it's very important in real world, so you should understand how to solve these problems.